Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start immediately. Open the LMS homepage and click Create Account. Have your institution email, ID number, and a strong password ready so you don't stall. Enter the enrollment code if provided by your instructor. If not, leave that field for later. Once done with the form fields, scan for optional profile settings, time zone, notification preferences, so you won't forget them. This first step gets the account scaffolded. Now you're set to verify and proceed. Once you confirm your email, return to the LMS and sign in as you'll see prompts to complete your profile. Fill in full name and enroll accurately because course enrollment depends on it. Make sure to set notification preferences so you get deadlines and messages, choose text or email. Enable two-factor authentication if available, it protects grades and submissions. After profile completion, explore course catalog or accept instructor invitations to join. You finish by joining at least one course and testing access. Open a module, download a resource, and submit a tiny assignment to confirm upload pathways. Make sure you can receive course announcements. Adjust notification frequency to avoid overload. If something fails, login rejected, missing course, try clearing browser cache or use an incognito window. Make sure your enrollment code was entered correctly. If problems persist, contact LMS support and include a screenshot and exact error text so they resolve it fast.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.